Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good Monday. I wanted to go over what you can expect on the midterm. So right now I'm on the I'm on the course content page. And if you go down to midterm, there is a midterm module. And if you click on that, you will see that there are problems that you will need to study for the midterm, and these will be the problems that will be on the exam and so these are not all the questions that will be on the midterms. These are just your problems and exercises, but there will be if you look right here, it says there will be 36 questions, and some are multiple choice and some are exercises and problems. But if you click on the problems to study for the midterm, that is also an assignment, and it's an extra credit assignment. So any points that you earn on this will be added to your total points in the course. So you definitely want to make sure that you work this. It will really help you do well on your midterm. As far as what your midterm is going to cover, it's going to cover chapters 1 through 7. So I just wanted to show you how you can use your My Lab and Mastering, or My Accounting Lab. If you click on that and click on Course Home, I'm going to show you some resources in here that are very helpful as well. The main thing is not just completing the assignments, but actually understanding what you're doing. So one thing you have, of course, is your e-text. If you read your e-text, that will help tremendously. But you also have a study plan, and there are questions broken down for each chapter and each objective. And so you can go in and complete these. You can click on Quiz Me and master each objective that way. So that is just one way, and you may end up seeing questions that could possibly be on your test. But that is one way that you could study the material that we've done so far. Just go through. Now this is going to take a good deal of time, so you would really have to sit down and go through each one of these, because each one of these chapters has several objectives. So the study plan is a good place to review. You also, if you click on chapter resources, there are some demo docs and multimedia library. And so if you select all and click on Find Now, it will give you some flashcards, okay, some tutorial videos. There's all kinds of things. Of course, here's your PowerPoint. Here's more videos for each objective for chapter 1. So there are lots of resources here that you can use. So just kind of play around and look at what you have. The dynamic study module. It's kind of like your study plan too, and it has questions, and they're broken down by chapter. And so that's another way you could review. What is the amount of total liabilities to report on the balance sheet? And you have some multiple choice answers to choose from. So there's another way to study. Okay, and then don't forget that I have given you lots of resources in each chapter module to help you as well. So you can go through here. Let's see. You have some Kahoots and Quizlets. That's another way that you can review a lot of the terminology and debits and credits. So hopefully between all of that, that will help you be prepared for your midterm. You really need to be spending a great deal of time working in this class because it moves extremely fast. But don't forget that you have a midterm module and you have these problems that you can review as many times as you need to for extra credit. So have a good week, and remember your midterm is due on the 20th. Let me know if you have any questions.